the mirror of my mind, time after time, I see reflections of you and me, reflections of the way life used to be, reflections of the love you...
What a beautiful day in Johannesburg for a walk. Oh God, and then some zombie comes and wrecks it. Listen to all these dogs barking. I mean, you'd think that we're mass murderers or something. Hello plonkers, Dav Scott's Lass here, and today I thought I'd go for a wee walk while Megan actually takes a jog. I haven't been to gym in 3 months, actually 4 months, so I'm feeling it. We went for a wee run first, but this old heart can't keep up, so I'm now walking very briskly, and as you can hear, I'm totally out of breath already.
Hello, me and my mum are on a jog.
Well, we haven't jogged for a bit.
Yeah, well...
More vlogging than jogging.
Okay, let's get you there, okay? I'll be there.
Bye! This is my reflections post from the awesome A to Z vlog challenge that happened during the month of April this year. I stumbled across some awesome vlogs this year. I'm not following quite as many as I did last year, but a real good, I'd say 12, 15 new blogs that I'm following. So, followers went up from 688 to 724. Now, I'm not really good at maths, so I'll do the maths after this and let you know how many that is. It's 36 vlogs. Not that that was ever why I did the challenge. Visits a day round about, well, it used to be about 500, and since I stopped vlogging in September last year, it's probably, oh shut up, it's probably dropped to about 300 or 400 hits a day, but with the blog challenge it was up to from between 700 and 800 hits a day, which is absolutely awesome, and I'm super happy with that. I know that it won't stay there for very long, but it was really nice to see all the visitors and have all the comments again, so it's invigorated me to continue vlogging, take it up again. I might not be doing it certainly daily, but I will be at least posting 2 or 3 times a week. I think that's doable, don't you? But then again, with my busy lifestyle, it's pretty fucking hectic, so, you know, with work and the kids and their school and their activities and their homework, and yeah, I mean, whew, we'll see. I'll see how it goes. How cool was that? 3 blonkers! I didn't want to follow too many bloggers this year like I did last year and burn myself out, because after the challenge I like to go back and visit their blog when it gets back to like the normal broadcasting. In other words, what they normally blog about, not just what they blog about during the challenge. And I've got some really wackadoodle people that I'm following, which I'm looking forward to what they're going to be blogging about next. I'm just fucking this up completely. It's really fucking it up. Fucking shit blog this.
You can do a blooper reel.
Fuck me. Yeah, I mean, this has literally been the fucking shittest vlog ever. So I'm just gonna say goodbye and see you next time. Bye! Megan, you're about to fall into the dirt there, but that's okay. And so clever me has decided on her theme for next year, and probably a bit premature, but I think it's an awesome theme. I'll probably change it along the way. Awesome blog challenge. See you next year. Bye plonkers.